Friendly Wayne, 04's Motor Cars. Got this 65 Mustang convertible. This is an A code convertible, 289 automatic. It needs full restoration. It's been sitting for a long time. Does not run. Factory air. Again, it is not running. It's been stored for, I don't know, I think 40 years, but you can see that information on our website, 04motorcars.com. Give us a call, 215-631-1776. Go into the interior here. There are photos on the website, but try to help you out here in the video. And you can tell it's been sitting. Looks like 96,685 or something like that. Does have two sets of keys. Alright. Should give you an idea about how long it's been sitting. Fortunately, it's been sitting in a dry environment. So, looking for a good car, a good foundation for restoration, check it out, 04motorcars.com.